Essential synonyms and their meanings. For upcoming all-competitive exams. Number 31. Addict. Nearest meanings: enthusiast, fanatic, junkie, devotee, aficionado. Number 32. Adept. Nearest meanings: skilled, proficient, expert, adroit, capable. Number 33. Adequate. Nearest meanings: sufficient, enough, ample, plenty, satisfactory. Number 34. Adjacent. Nearest meanings: nearby, adjoining, next to, bordering, neighboring. Number 35. Adjust. Nearest meanings: modify, adapt, alter, regulate, fine-tune. Number 36. Administer. Nearest meanings: manage, supervise, oversee, conduct, direct. Number 37. Admire. Nearest meanings: respect, appreciate, adore, applaud, esteem. Number 38. Admit. Nearest meanings: confess, acknowledge, accept, recognize, allow. Number 39. Admonish. Nearest meanings: warn, reprimand, caution, rebuke, advise. Number 40. Adopt. Nearest meanings: embrace, accept, take on, choose, approve. Number 41. Adore. Nearest meanings: love, admire, cherish, idolize, worship. Number 42. Advance. Nearest meanings: progress, improve, promote, accelerate, forward. Number 43. Advantage. Nearest meanings: benefit, gain, profit, upper hand, edge. Number 44. Adverse. Nearest meanings: unfavorable, harmful, detrimental, negative, hostile. Number 45. Advise. Nearest meanings: counsel, recommend, suggest, guide, instruct. Number 46. Advocate. Nearest meanings: support, promote, endorse, champion, back. Number 47. Affable. Nearest meanings: friendly, amiable, cordial, pleasant, sociable. Number 48. Affect. Nearest meanings: influence, impact, touch, alter, change. Number 49. Affection. Nearest meanings: love, fondness, attachment, devotion, warmth. Number 50. Affirm. Nearest meanings: confirm, assert, declare, proclaim, avow. Number 51. Afflict. Nearest meanings: distress, trouble, torment, harass, worry. Number 52. Affluent. Nearest meanings: wealthy, rich, prosperous, well-off, opulent. Number 53. Afford. Nearest meanings: manage, provide, supply, give, bear. Number 54. Afraid. Nearest meanings: fearful, scared, frightened, terrified, alarmed. Number 55. Aggressive. Nearest meanings: hostile, assertive, forceful, pushy, violent. Number 56. Agile. Nearest meanings: nimble, quick, spry, lively, dexterous. Number 57. Agitate. Nearest meanings: disturb, upset, perturb, stir, provoke. Number 58. Agree. Nearest meanings: consent, accept, assent, conquer, approve. Number 59. Aid. Nearest meanings: help, assist, support, facilitate, back. Number 60. Aim. Nearest meanings: goal, objective, target, intention, aspiration. Number 61. Alert. Nearest meanings: vigilant, watchful, attentive, aware, observant. Number 62. Alien. Nearest meanings: foreign, strange, exotic, unfamiliar, external. Number 63. Alive, nearest meanings, living, breathing, active, animated, vital. Number 64. Allocate, nearest meanings, assign, distribute, allot, apportion, budget. Number 65. Allow, nearest meanings, permit, let, enable, approve, grant. Number 66. Ally, nearest meanings, partner, associate, collaborator, friend, supporter. Number 67. Altruistic, nearest meanings, selfless, unselfish, charitable, benevolent, philanthropic. Number 68. Amaze, nearest meanings, astonish, astound, surprise, stun, bewilder. Number 69. Ambition, nearest meanings, aspiration, goal, objective, dream, desire. Number 70. Ameliorate, nearest meanings, improve, enhance, better, upgrade, refine. Number 71. Amend, nearest meanings, modify, revise, alter, adjust, improve. Number 72. Amiable, nearest meanings, friendly, affable, genial, pleasant, cordial. Number 73. Ample, nearest meanings, abundant, plentiful, sufficient, adequate, bountiful. Number 74. Amuse, nearest meanings, entertain, delight, charm, divert, engage. Number 75. Ancient, nearest meanings, old, antique, aged, archaic, primitive. Number 76. Anger, nearest meanings, rage, fury, wrath, irritation, annoyance. Number 77. Anguish, nearest meanings, pain, suffering, agony, distress, torment. Number 78. Animate, nearest meanings, enliven, energize, liven, revitalize, invigorate. Number 79. Announce, nearest meanings, declare, proclaim, pronounce, advertise, reveal. Number 80. Annoy, nearest meanings, irritate, bother, aggravate, pester, disturb.